Welcome. Today we're talking about PPC advertising for lawyers. So, what is PPC advertising for lawyers? It's ads that appear in websites your target audience may be reading. It's ads that appear near the bottom of videos they watch on YouTube. Or they could be text ads that appear during a search on Bing, Yahoo, or Google. You'll see here I've searched for best lawyer. The fourth entry you see is the highest of the organic results, with more appearing further down the page. However, these three ads, the top ads on page 1, are the highest ranking pay-per-click ads in the area where I searched. You'll not be surprised to hear that the keywords attorney and lawyer are 2 of the 10 most expensive keywords used in Google AdWords and other pay-per-click platforms. As you know, the legal industry is a cutthroat business, and it is very hard for legal firms to differentiate themselves. We've heard of lawyers who pay $50 or more per click for campaigns that still don't generate qualified leads. So, why should you listen to me today? Let's look at the actual results of a lawyer who uses PPC advertising. The blue line represents increasing numbers of conversions. These are inbound quality leads, people likely to become a paying client. The orange line represents the slowly decreasing cost per inbound lead over that time. That is, as this law firm has become better at PPC advertising, the cost of each lead has gone down. Here's more detail. In January, this law firm was getting a conversion rate of less than 1/3 of 1%, so low that in this chart it's rounded down to 0. At the same time, the cost per lead was $262. Notice that as the next 8 months go by, the blue line, inbound leads, is slowly rising, while the cost of each conversion, the orange line, is gradually declining. Here you can see that the conversion rate is now a little over 3%, and the cost per conversion is now only $62. Let's have a closer look at where this graph comes from. Here is a screenshot of AdWords for that account. Here is the conversions column. That is, from AdWords alone, this firm received 175 inbound leads in 8 months. On the right, you can see the average conversion rate over the 8 months. And remember, it started at 0.3% and rose to 3.16% over that time. On the left, you can see the costs, and at the bottom, the total cost of all the ads over an 8-month period. $10,800. But what do these conversions mean? These conversions are 2 things, a combination of 2 things. A prospective client saw an ad and immediately called the law firm, or they clicked through to the website and then after seeing that the firm offers the services he or she was looking for, made that call. But I hear you ask, what happened next? Well, this is Cassandra. She answers most of the inbound leads coming to that law firm, and she turns just a smidgen under half of the calls, 48% actually, into sales, where prospective clients become paying clients. Now, I'm not at liberty to tell you the average bill of this law firm. What I can tell you is that if we take $62.07 and multiply this figure by 100% over Cassandra's 48% sales rate, we get an average customer acquisition cost of $129. For the vast majority of law firms, this is a very, very low effective acquisition cost. And remember, these new customers are in addition to repeat business and referral business. So with PPC advertising, your revenue stream will become very healthy. Ready to engage a professional agency to run your PPC campaigns? You'll want a proven expert, an expert who can identify the best legal search terms, design the most effective ads for your firm, A/B test all of your campaigns, who can optimize your keywords, ads, and landing pages so they work together, who can execute phone call tracking and analysis of your inbound calls, who use all the channels effective for your firm, who can customize and further optimize your campaigns to get your revenues up and your costs down, and of course, improve your quality scores, because that's how PPC platforms measure relevancy. And lastly, geo-targeting, allowing you to spend your advertising dollars only in areas and markets that give you a solid return on investment. Ready to begin? Give me a call on 888-352-9489, and I look forward to speaking with you very soon.